I'm so excited about today's video because I'm going to show you how to make money without clients. I'm going to tell you a few common ways because yes, they are common, but many people forgot about those ways because they think there is only one way to do it. So yes, I'm going to explain you all of that in a bit. But I'm going to show you this first. Look at this. This is a photo from Cuba, from Havana, from years ago. Obviously, I took it. Then I have this self-portrait as well. I took it in Ecuador during one of my solo trips. And then I have this one from New York. I love it because it was taken during the golden hour. And we all know that golden hour lighting is beautiful. And this one, this is London, where I am right now, for those new here. And this was taken during the blue hour. No filters here. The sky was beautiful. So I love that photo, and I show you this because it's quite related to today's video. As I said, I'm gonna show you a few ways to make money with photography without having to have clients. Because if you know me, you know that on my channel, I'm always telling you how to get clients, how to find your photography niche, how to edit your photos, everything about the photography business, how to make money with photography, also content creation, because I'm starting to teach you video and many other topics. So please make sure to subscribe because I share weekly videos about the creative industry. And I'm gonna teach you photography from other locations as well, which I'm very excited about. So yeah, this being said, I'm gonna start with the common ones and then I'm gonna go to the ones more uncommon. And towards the end of the video, I'm gonna tell you how you can put your work out there, even if you don't have a following, to be able to sell your photos and everything I'm gonna tell you about today. Let's start for one common way to make money with your photos, which is stock photography. And hear me out, because no, it's not enough with uploading random photos and expect them to sell, okay? This years ago worked out pretty well, but not anymore, because the market is very saturated, guys. But I promise you that you can make even a full-time income if you know how to do it properly. You have to learn it, because if you know how to shoot and you focus on just that, you're gonna be able to make a full-time income, because I know many photographers who do it. I don't do a full-time income because I'm taking care of my YouTube channel and taking care of my private community. By the way, you should check it out if you didn't yet. I'm gonna link it down below. And also client work here in London. So I'm already spreading myself too much. And stock photography, I'm earning an income per month, which is quite good, but it's not a lot of money. It's just a few hundreds, which is very handy, to be honest. But it's so long I don't upload, guys. If I start to upload again, I'm gonna increase that income, and you can do the same. I sold photos to Apple. I sold photos to Booking.com, to Fujifilm Europe, Business Insider, Condé Nast Traveler, and many other huge companies. I do have a full playlist I'm gonna link below where I teach you everything about the stock photography from beginning till the end. So if you are a total beginner, you're gonna be able to learn everything over there, because it's very exciting when you sell photos and it's passive income. You do the work, obviously, but then it's uploaded and you just wait, and month by month, you are making money. So I highly encourage you to try this. Go check out the playlist later. The second way to make money with photography would be selling prints and posters. I know this is a very common way and everyone is tired of hearing this. Sell your prints, sell your photos, but hear me out. Because the problem is that everyone thinks that selling prints is very hard, because if you don't have a big social media following and you don't have traffic on your website, you're not gonna sell. But let me tell you, there are more uncommon ways that you can do this happen for yourself. So you can do one thing, which is actually building a shop online in your website, which is very easy to do. Personally, I use Squarespace. I'm not a sponsor, and it's very easy to do the shop by yourself because you just have to pick up a template, and that's it. I'm gonna link a free trial below for you to check it out. But you can use any platform you want, because there are many others out there that offer this service, and you don't lose anything, okay? So I encourage you to do it. You build the shop and it's there. If you don't have traffic, okay, you don't sell. But it's better to have it than don't have it. The second way would be using a third-party website that already has a lot of traffic. So I'm gonna tell you everything about that later. They do keep a little commission, but it's worth it because they have a lot of traffic and you have more possibilities to sell. This one is quite uncommon and many people forget about it, is reaching out to companies. You know, when you go to IKEA and you see a beautiful canvas with a photo on it, someone took that photo, right? I'm not telling you to contact IKEA, which you can as well, but there are many small shops in your town or in your area maybe interior design shops or furniture shops, that they sell canvases or posters or wall art, and you can approach them to sell your photos, and you can make a deal with them, maybe sell licenses of your photos, or every time someone buys one of the canvases, you get a commission. There are a few ways to do it, but this is something you can do as well. Don't be stuck thinking that you have to sell through your website only, because obviously it's quite discouraging, because if you don't have traffic, you may not sell. So you can do this as well, third-party websites or reaching out to companies, and there are millions out there. So recently, I've got some prints myself, and you guys inspired me to do this because not long ago, I did a photo book and you guys loved it. And so many of you were texting me, asking me where you could buy the book. And that photo book was just for my meetings with my clients. I didn't do more books. So guys, thank you so much for your interest, because it gave me so much confidence as well. The prints were printed by Sal Digital, and they're sponsoring today's video. And the finishing of this paper is insane. You have so many to choose from, but for this I chose silk paper because it's very, very premium. And I printed some of my favorite self-portraits. Sal Digital printed as well my photo book, the photo book you guys loved. And they are offering you, through the link below, a 50% discount. Yes, half price discount in the products you decide to print with them. So I think this is huge. And I really want you to think about printing something, because trust me, holding your work in your hands, it's incredible. And actually, I'm gonna do it right now for you to see it. How incredible it looks. I love it. I mean, it's insane, I'm sorry, but this paper is so premium. And I like it because it's not very bright, so it doesn't catch a lot of reflections. It's more matte. Maybe now you see more reflections because of the huge light I have here. This one is another one. You guys love this one. Oh, I'm so excited, guys. It's amazing. This one is one of your favorite ones. This one. I think it's great, the black and white with half of the face. I also did even a tutorial for you guys about how I do this lighting using just one light. So you can check it out later if you like. Even if you don't sell your prints, maybe print something out just for yourself, or maybe for your living room. It's amazing to be able to print your own photos, okay? So the next way would be making calendars. Trust me when I tell you that so many photographers are making a lot of income making calendars. And I teach you how to get clients for portrait photography, for content creation, for lifestyle photos. But many of you ask me, Laura, what about landscape photography? How do you make money with landscape photography? Because it's harder, right, to find clients for landscape photography. Or how you make money with wildlife photography? Because obviously it's harder as well to find clients for wildlife photography. So the solution is calendars, postcards, as the ones I showed you at the beginning of the video. So I have a calendar here I'm gonna show you as well, printed by Sal Digital, obviously. I think they look great. I'm gonna show you in a bit. So you do calendars, plus now, by the time you're watching this video, is October. We're gonna arrive into the new year, and if you sell calendars, it's gonna be a great way to make money. And the photos look amazing, printed in big. So I have it here. Look, this photo from Scotland. I mean, this photo was taken with my Sony a7R5. It's the first time, because it's new, that camera. If you follow me, you would know that, so make sure to subscribe to my channel. So yeah, it's the first photo I print with that camera, and the quality, it's incredible. It's insane. I couldn't be happier. I mean, I think you can tell how excited I am to print photos. And this is something I'm gonna keep doing more and more and more, because I never do it, and then what happens if the hard drive dies? You lose all your beautiful memories and photos. So please do something about it. So this calendar is all with travel photos, okay? And I'm very excited to come back to my travels, because I'm gonna be able to show you more sorts of photography, not just portrait like I do right now mostly. So look at this photo. This is a self-portrait I took in Wales. How nice it is. I love it. I mean, printed, everything looks better. Then this photo taken with the Sony a7R5. This was taken in Scotland. I mean, you cannot see the quality here, but it's incredible. I'm not gonna show you all of it, because otherwise it's gonna be quite long, this video. But it goes without saying, the beautiful calendars you can make. And Sal Digital has an incredible software, and you have so many designs pre-made, guys. So you just have to pick a design you like and put your photos on it. And that's it. And you have so many sizes to choose from as well. So you're gonna be able to do whatever you like. Making calendars or gifts like this, you're gonna be able to sell a lot. Again, I'm gonna tell you where you can sell them to make a lot of money with them, okay? Because I know you may be thinking, on my website I don't have traffic. Again, I'm gonna tell you later everything about it. So what's the next way? Postcards. Yes, you heard me out, postcards. I don't know how many times I travel, and I don't wanna be too critic. Every time I go to places, to touristy places, and I check the postcards, the photos are horrible. Not all of them, don't take me wrong, not all of them, there are nice photos, but many times they have very random photos. They look like bad stock photos, okay? So you can fix that. In your area, in your town, you can go to shops and you can offer them your photography. You can print them yourself as well and take some with you and get paid for it in the shop. You're gonna have so many shops in your area that sell postcards of your town or your city, right? Or maybe to the tourism office. Wherever you think you can sell these postcards, you can do it, guys. People focus with client work all the time, but you can be making money with your photos from these other ways as well. So yeah, I already showed you these postcards. This one is the normal size, but the finishing as well. I like matte finishing. They look very premium. You can do this and make money in your shops in your town. If you're not shooting with clients, doing all of these things, stock photography, selling calendars, postcards in your town, you can even go to shops as well to offer your calendars to sell to people. So try always to think outside the box to make money with your photos. The next way would be selling gifts. As postcards and calendars, you can sell mugs with your photos. You can sell handbags. And my favorite way is selling puzzles. My brother loves puzzles and then he frames them. So guys, if you have a beautiful photo, you can order a puzzle with the photo and again, contact shops to sell them for you, or online in your shop, or online in third-party websites. If you go to sell digital software, I highly recommend you to download it for your desktop. You're gonna feel so inspired because they offer you so many products and you just have to choose the product and put your pictures on it and they're gonna do everything for you and it's very easy to order. That's how I printed everything I have, my photo book, postcard, the calendar, the prints, and it's a very easy way to do it and you don't need to know anything about graphic design because everything is built in the software. Everyone thinks that if you don't have traffic on your website, you're never gonna sell. Okay, so the solution would be, first, having your website and selling it in your website because you don't lose anything, and then level up your social media game to have some traffic. Guys, this works a lot. If you have a following, it's gonna be easier for you to sell. If you are on Instagram, promote your work, you know how it is. But then the other way, as I said, is reaching out to shops, local shops. I think you understood that. But the third way would be third-party websites. There are many out there, but I'm gonna talk just about one because I wanted to do this myself. I didn't do it yet because, as I said, I'm spreading myself too much already with my channel, my private community, client work, and it's too much already. But I really wanted, maybe in the future I'll do it, I don't know, open a shop in Etsy. Etsy is an incredible shop online where you can open your shop for free. I think they charge you a few cents just to open the shop and that's it. And then you can upload your products. So you do printed calendars, postcards, keyrings, mugs, handbags. You can put them on sale in Etsy. And then you just have to tag it. You put hashtags referring to the product for people to find it. And if someone is looking in Etsy for a calendar, a landscape photography calendar, they're gonna find your landscape photography calendar. Etsy has a lot of traffic. I know many people making so much money from Etsy because you don't need to do anything apart of open the shop, upload all the products you want, and make sure you tag it properly. And there are so many YouTube videos for free of other creators that teach you how to open an Etsy shop. So I think this is an incredible way to make money with photography because you don't need even the traffic because Etsy has a lot of traffic, guys. So this is the secret weapon for you if you don't have traffic to make money with all these printed items. I'm gonna put below the stock photography playlist for you to check it out. And please subscribe to my channel if you didn't yet. And I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like it because it helps me a lot. And I will see you in the next one. Big love.